Human resource management. Human resource management is included forecasting of supply and demand. That's one of the very interesting topic. So the number one, forecasting of demand. In this concept, it's included as 7 different topics. Number one is manager analysis. Manager analysis means we are know about what are the things are we needed, how many recruitments are we needed. We are able to identify what are the recruitment process to maintain. So how many people are we included in our company. So identifying the recruitment process in HR within our organization is called manager analysis. So we are able to identify the vacancies we needed. So that is called manager analysis. It's also have a different approaches, top, down, and bottom approaches are in there. Number two is Delphi technique. Delphi technique is oldest technique and is also a easy one to make a process. So in this technique is like that, making a feedback and survey to reaching our expectations is called Delphi techniques. Anything we did not able to attend our expectations, so we reagain to do the process to achieve our expectations, achieve our goals. So that is called a Delphi technique. And this Delphi technique, the people are don't interact with each others. So that is called Delphi technique. And another, the third one is work study technique. Work study technique is how many units are we needed, what are the length and what are the durations are we needed. So we able to identify all those things. It's easy to help to identify how many workers are we needed in HR, human resource management. So how many people are, how many workers are we needed. So it's help to identify that. And flow model. Flow model is another important concept and is also known as called a Markov technique. This Markov technique means we able to understand employee movements. This is called a Markov technique. How the employees are movements, how the internal employees, how they are reacting, what are the things in the current situations, like any the new employees are coming. So the reason behind this, we are how many people are resigned and who are suspended. So this kind of things are calculated to fill up that position is called yeah. Next one is ratio analysis. In this ratio analysis included 2 different ratios. Number one, a past ratio, and number two, forecasting future ratios. I give a simple example. Um, we are known about Charlie the Chocolate Factory, right? It's a Hollywood film. In that film, the workers are called like a small mans are called Upalambas. They are creating a chocolate. They are producing a chocolate. So, 100 user numbers create 1,000 chocolates per year. That means the ratio is 1:10. So that means 1,000 numbers create one chocolate. So that's the reason 100,000 numbers create 1,000 chocolates per year. So this is a ratio of um, this solid the chocolate factory user numbers. Yeah, this is called ratio analysis in this HR process. And this past ratio is help to predict the future. So this past ratio also help for forecasting of future ratios. So this is a ratio analysis in this HR process. And then finally the regression analysis. Regression analysis is nothing but the mathematical and like strategical oriented things, and then particularly the variations of included. Connecting the dots is help to understanding the sequence of a scenario, sequence of a process. So a lot of software systems are available right now. So if you're able to see the software system, you understand easily what sort of things are we needed, what sort of things are we done. So it is called a regression analysis. So these are the seven things are called demand of a human resource management, demand forecasting of a human resource management. Yeah. And number two is supply forecasting of human resource management. Supply forecasting means be able to understand what which supplies are we needed. So we particularly understand the bottom of our wants, our needs. So we able to fix the correct person for a particular job position. So that is the main core reason. And another thing is, if you fix the person, the another important responsibility of HR is uh, we have a good candidate for our HR process. We give a good training to improve their skills and their grooming. So if you able to the people's are grooming toply, so if you're able to help that person to help their grooming, so that is help our HR process also, because they are give their help to potential to develop in our company. So that's the reason we are doing this. This is one of the major responsibility of being a HR, being a company. Yeah. So this is a demand and supply for a human resource management. Thank you.